Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk about the Visual Studio extension TeamRooms. But before we get started, a quick round of introduction. This extension has been developed by Tarun Arora and Utkarsh Shigali. Alright, let's get started. So, a few months back, Microsoft released this really cool feature which is known as TeamRooms. And I think it's a great feature because it allows you to do a lot of collaboration within your team. The benefit is that all of that data is retained within TFS, so you get a historic view of it and you can do a lot with it. So my team started using this feature a lot, but over time we didn't enjoy having to leave Visual Studio to go and collaborate with our team. What we really wanted was the ability to use TeamRooms from within Visual Studio. Me and Utkarsh decided that this would make a fantastic Visual Studio extension, and hence we started working on the idea. And today I think we're ready to release the first version of it. So once you've installed our extension, you would see TeamRooms appear in Team Explorer. To get started, you simply have to click the TeamRooms and the list of rooms that you have access to will get listed in the available room section. Now notice, we aren't only showing you the name of the room, but the count of users that are already online in that room as well. So currently shipping room has 0 users online. Okay, but I click on shipping room and there we go. The room is loaded and I can see the message stream as well. In the room I can see the list of online users and away users. If that bothers me, I can dock that away. There's another ability that gives you another ability to click the name of the user to send an email out to them if you have to. This comes in handy if someone's offline and you just directly wanted to correspond with them, then that can also be a possibility. Okay, now the look and feel isn't much different from what you're used to in the web-based TeamRoom, and we've tried to keep much of it similar to the way it's been designed in the web, so it feels familiar to you as well. Now there's another feature that we've added within the TeamRooms extension, which is actually a preference. So if you want to be notified when a user joins a room, then that can be enabled by turning the system tray notifications to on. So I've changed the system tray notification to on now. So if anyone joins the room, I would get an alert in the as like a pop-up saying someone's joined the room. Great, so here you go. You can see that Utkarsh has joined the shipping room, if you didn't want to be distracted by notifications, then you have the ability to turn that off as well. So let me say a quick hi to Utkarsh. Now you can see that we don't have a send button here. It's just type and press enter to send. And in case you start typing anything and you start making spelling mistakes, then we've got a spell check here to help you do the corrections as well. So let me just quickly check where are we with the release package. Now if I'm typing something and I think I don't want to send it, then I can simply press the escape key to clear that message off. Now one thing that we wanted to in our extension enable is the ability to have conversations going on in multiple rooms in one time, and this is really a requirement in my opinion. If I'm collaborating with some colleagues on an issue, I might be in one room, but if I'm collaborating with the same colleagues for a different issue, I might be in a different room. So we allow you to open multiple rooms, and this is really a docking function. So if you wanted to dock both the rooms and see the activity in parallel, then we allow for that as well. So let's see, I can start chatting in the Wiki room as well. Nice and easy. And if I wanted to even go beyond this and have the ability to dock more rooms, then I can. Now another feature that we've enabled is if you're in a multi-monitor kind of environment, then you can really drag this off to a different screen altogether as well, rather than just having to dock that within the Visual Studio toolbar window. And just wanted to highlight that we have some more features which might not seem very big, but you know, you can export the settings. So if you configure TeamRooms as per your you know, settings, and you want to export those settings, then you could export the settings using the menu here. And that's about it for our first release. I think we're really happy to have achieved so much, where we can let you use TeamRoom from within Visual Studio. We haven't, you know, finished everything, but we wanted to get a release out there and get your feedback and see what you think about it, and tell us what you want us to develop next, rather than just, you know, keep doing something in silos which might not be relevant to you guys. Now, before we close, I just wanted to give a special thank you message, a big shout out to our friends at Microsoft, Justin Marks, Chad Bowles, Will Smith, Duet Lee. These guys have been really helpful in guiding me and Utkarsh in our development efforts to ship this extension. Now, please download this extension and give us your feedback. And if you have to contact us for any issues or for any comments, then you can write to us at visualstudiodevelopers@outlook.com. Thank you so much for your time.